Partnering with 501 Fund, one of the global leaders for social entertainment technology, we're showcasing one of many versatile ways that our latest laser Full HD short throw projectors can be utilized. Set up with one of our made-to-measure short throw mounts and positioned to create 2 interactive dartboard displays. Hi, I'm Simon Jonas, Category Manager for Optima Europe. Featuring external power and energy-saving technology, the ZH450 ST delivers cool, quiet and eco-friendly full HD content, as well as an RS232 and RJ45 for control, making it the ideal solution for corporate and classroom spaces, as well as interactive areas like the one we're demoing today. This model also features a 2 million to 1 dynamic contrast range and a 96% Rec 709 performance for a wide range of accurate colors. It also supports a low input lag of 17 milliseconds in 1080p at 60 Hz, ideal for interactive demos, golf simulation and any other application requiring a high level of responsiveness. With a built-in 15-watt speaker and IP6X certification, this is a product that's ideal for many immersive applications. The ZH450 ST is also part of our projectors which are designed for sustainability. This means the DuraCore laser delivers 30,000 hours of maintenance-free laser light source. Its eco-friendly and energy-saving technology cuts down power consumption by up to 45% versus your typical lamp-based projectors. In addition, it's designed with the environment in mind, so some of our models have 50% post-consumer recycled plastics in them. And on top of that, the external power supply, as mentioned earlier, keeps the unit cooler and quieter for more efficient operation. For more information, please visit optima.com.